In this video, I'll show you how to post a video in a Facebook group so you can easily share content with other members. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Groups and select the group where you want to share your video. Once the group page opens, look for the Write Something or Create Post box near the top of the page and tap on it. This will open the post creation screen. Now tap the photo or video option to access your phone's gallery. Browse through your gallery and select the video you want to upload. After selecting the video, you can add a caption or description in the text box if you want to explain the video to the group members. You can also tag people or add other details if needed. Once everything is ready, tap the Post button to share the video in the group. If the group requires post approval, your video will be sent for review and will appear in the group once an admin approves it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.